Before 310, weight loss meant struggles and sacrifice. And when I cleaned up my diet, incorporated with the 310 products, at 50, I weigh what I weighed in my 20s. That feels pretty dang good.
I freaking love this 310 shake.
No artificial sweeteners or regular sugar.
And it tastes amazing.
Yes, it does.
I feel sexy, I feel confident because it allows me to maintain my goal weight.
310 Shake has 15 grams of plant-based protein, 5 grams of fiber, loaded with probiotics, vitamins and minerals, and has a greens blend that has superfoods like maca powder and spirulina. And the best part is, it has no sugar, no soy, no gluten, and no dairy. It's naturally sweet. It'll help satisfy your cravings for your favorite sweet treats in the healthiest way possible.